To get to this that we tried the other day, but I wanted to show you a video of it. So here on Piskel, I've created a mini animation. Obviously, it's not doing a whole lot, and I'm going to export it and use it in GameSalad. So we're going to go over here to where it says export, and we're going to click this dude. And then it's going to tell us to download it and give it some sprite. I want you to choose zip, the one right here that says zip. And we're going to name it Sprite Green Dude. But if I click in there and I'm able to type and I say download zip. So down here in your bottom part of your folder, then it should give you a zip file. And somewhere in your zip file here, you should have something called Scratch Guy, which is what the original name of this particular folder was. So I'm going to open up this folder and I'm going to see these three files. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to either control click them, or I can shift and hit the top and the bottom one. And I'm going to copy these and paste these to some file where I know I can find them. So I'm going to copy, and then I'm going to go down here on my P drive, and I'm going to go down to this one that's called artwork. I have a ton of stuff in here. And nonetheless, I'm going to right click and I'm going to hit paste. And I should see a green bar show up. It didn't take long, but a green. And you see that these files have now shown up in my artwork folder now. Now, if I go back to my newly opened thing here, and I'm going to just create an actor, and we'll call in Green Dude, if my typing work. And now I'm going to go to the media assets, and I'm going to add assets. It's going to ask me, where do I want to get them from? As you can see, I'm already on this folder called artwork, and again the prefix was Sprite _ Green Dude. So I'm just going to find it. 1, I hold control. 2, 3, I control click them all, I hit open. In theory, it should put all my assets in here. And then if I want to make him on the screen, all I have to do from here is I go to the actor tab, and I'm already highlighted on Green Dude. I go back to my medias tab, and I'll pull the first file in there, boom, and I'll put this one in as his standard. All right, and then I'll just tell him to animate from there. So Green Dude's rules, it's going to be animate, and then I'm just going to pull those three things in order. So I'm going to go ahead and get the first one again, and then the second one, and then the third one. I can change the animation per second. I can talk about restore actor image window. I can do any of those types of things. For right now, I'm just going to pull one Green Dude on the screen, and I'm going to run it for you. As we can see, I just got my Green Dude on the screen. I can make him do whatever I want, but that's your basics of putting him in. Obviously, your frames per second is right here. If I wanted to slow him down, I could put 2 frames a second. You can see that if I run him again, same animation, much slower. So that's how to use a Dell Latitude and put in something that you've made from Piskel. Thanks.